there she is.
Welcome the new replacement for the GR Yaris.
Yeah, so we've got 4 doors, 5 doors. What's this colour called again? Hero blue. We've got the Hero
Performance blue, Hero blue, iconic blue, something blue.
So it's absolutely beautiful. I'm really happy with it.
So we've taken off all the plastics already. We'll put some videos in to show you, but it had plastic everywhere, eh?
Plastic everywhere, even inside Tom to leave everything. So all on the dash and panels,
cluster,
and
everything.
Yeah, the only ones I've left on is the actual the screen.
Yeah.
We've left that log spec.
Log
so
spec,
leave
yeah.
the plastic on there. Same as climate control.
So you're taking the bonnet one off, and you can see it's filthy. We told the boys not to wash it.
Yep. Coated the interior last night, so all the interior is done.
Sadly, we couldn't go to the dealership and do a nice video because of the lockdowns and whatnot.
I didn't even get out of the car.
I was gonna say Rob didn't even get out. Just his wife went and got it. So we'll make the most of it. We'll take it out now, wash it, get it all ready to be coated.
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you going for a drive?
Yeah.
What do you want him to do?
Put it in mold and
In custom.
yeah, and crackle.
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 These kids know more than about the car than us. So the kids were super excited. They wanted to go for a quick drive. Rob's taking them, and then we'll get it ready to start coating. So this is the i30N, so like the performance model, top spec. DCT, so auto, 8-speed, and it's the premium. So it's got the nice bucket seats, it's got the big moon roof, a couple other little features I'm not 100% sure Rob knows, but top of the line spec. So these are going for roughly anywhere from 55 to 57 grand. That's Australian dollars for anyone that's not watching from Australia. And yeah, big difference from the GR Yaris. We'll have to have them together one day on a episode and compare the pair. Are you gonna be one of those blokes that drives around and snap, crackle, pops everywhere?
No, just for them.
You're just gonna leave it in second gear, eh?
Oh
wow, look at my car, it crackles.
Yeah, crackle back. Nat hates the crackle.
How does she? Can I wipe it?
Alright, get it.
Can I wipe it? Can I wipe it?
Yeah, a little one.
Close the door.
No, not close the door.
Close the door, put it in drive, mate.
Give it a little rev. This one. Little bit, but. Relax. Alright,
Can I try?
No more trying nothing.
Alright, so the rest of this vlog's gonna be on my phone because it's so windy here. My camera got blown away on the tripod and doesn't work anymore. So it's gonna be on the phone now. Quick spray of the engine bay. It's got some dirt and grime sitting in the corners. Alright, next up we have some iron remover sprayed on to get all the surface contaminants uplifted and away away we go. This stuff really smells, so lucky you can't smell in this video, huh? Here is how it works. So you spray it on. Once it starts turning purple, that's when it's like lifting up all the dirt and grime and contaminants off the paint. And then you gurney it. And what that just does is it just gets all the stuff off in preparation for you to put a wash mitt to it. Alright, we're back, day 2. Camera is working again, the lens broke, so I've got a different lens on. This one might make a bit of noise to focus, but hey, it's video quality at least. So day 2 of the i30N. We are coating the wheels today. Rob is going to give it a single stage paint correction because it does have a couple of little marks here and there and the paint's not beautiful. So Rob's going to give that a single pass just to get that color popping and that surface nice and prepped, ready for its coating. And then yeah, like I said, I'm going to pull the wheels off, get them coated in and out, coat the calipers. I might coat the door jambs while I wait for Rob to finish the paint work. Exhaust tips, just the small things that I can do now before we attack the paint. So let's start this journey together. Yeah, it's not a GR, mate. Don't have 2-piece rotors.
Put a Mickey Mouse caliper on a big rotor. You know what I mean?
The rotor's not visually, the caliper's not visually appealing, is it? El Mando, what's that say? El Mando. You can't Spanish, is it?
Left, mate.
No, Mando under. Yeah, nice.
That's very nice.
Now, this beautiful back wheel has like cavity wax or underbody spray all over it. And regular customers, we remove it, because it's Rob's, we're just gonna leave it on.
Did you take the little red dot off?
Yeah, why? Here.
That's not original.
What, you want to coat over the top of those? Come on, man. It's a Hyundai, brother. Get over it.
It's an i30N premium performance.
Anyway, we're gonna remove this annoying So why exactly are you buffing it? Tell the people.
I don't know really, to be honest with you. It ain't that bad. It's actually pretty good, but when I looked really closely, it didn't have the gloss that I think it should have, or we should think it should have. So by doing this, it's just increasing the gloss. You can't even really call it a paint correction because it didn't have swirls or anything like that. Just where the guard rear bumper meets the quarter, had a couple of marks there, and on the gloss black, which is amazing because it's been delivered to the dealership. They have not done no pre-delivery, nothing, came all plastic. So that means that when this comes off the production line, obviously they do an inspection, and they've buffed that wing and that rear bar.
Yeah, so we saw buffing trails on that.
Yeah, and then they even chipped the brake caliper, and they've had to touch that up. But yeah, so we're just increasing the gloss a little bit more. So to the normal eye, you probably wouldn't even see it. Yeah.
Pretty much it.
Pretty much it, yeah. It's just for our own satisfaction, really. But yeah, satisfaction, I don't know. It's not if we're going to be delivering it to a customer and they're going to be like, oh wow, it looks fantastic. It's, we're not going to get no excitement out of it.
No. Not really.
It's self, what's it called? Set my own mind at ease, I guess.
Yeah. At least you know it's done.
Yeah, at least we know it's done.
Alright, so a little fun fact, we're going to weigh the wheel. And we're at, if I can get it to stay, 20.3, Rob.
Light up.
Well, a standard GR Yaris 18-inch wheel is 20.5. And this is a 19... Nah, I thought it was 21, I double checked. This is a 19-inch forged wheel. 20.3. Let's double check it. Alrighty, wheels and calipers are coated. Quick machine polish done.
Yep, doing the pre-cleaning stage.
So wiping it all down with alcohol, ready for its coating. So the roof is all glass, except for the wing and that little bit there.
And these corners.
These corners are plastic, are they?
Yep.
Plastic, that's glass as well. No shiny B-pillar plastics, which is good, always get scratched up. Pretty much it, eh? Start coating soon. Ready for its protection.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so. They like my family, so they go pretend that they cool till they bust at your motherfucking chest. I'm getting gutter, my flow been like butter, my check in the bank. They see the number, all of my haters feel one of two ways. Really upset or they show some respect. I can't even think about it, I've been up, so read about it. No beat around it, straight to it, no ring around it. You coming for me, we'll see about it. We'll never see it when I get my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up and go ka-ching and nana mana pia. I had to re-up on a reel so you stay defeated and put it back into the bit cause I don't really need it. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I had to put all their egos in check. You're not entitled to anything else. I get 10 years of this under my belt. Your art is an art, they don't feel it and nobody hears it. Initiative stay on the shelf, your ego done got in the way. It gotta die today. It gotta go. You should be happy I lighten the load. The weight of your arrogance, heavy as stone. I make an appearance, they already know. That chip on your shoulder gon' crumble.
So everything you've seen us do to this i30N, we do to every car, every protection package that we do. It's not just special because it's Rob's car, but
Filming.
huh?
All because we're filming.
All because we're filming, that's right. So, you know, we always do the door jams, we always do underneath the side skirts, exhaust tips, all these little crevices, as painful as it is. It's got to be done because, you know, over the years they fade, they look horrible.
The only thing you don't hear or see is the swearing.
Yeah, a bit of swearing, especially when it comes to the grills, but has to be done, no questions asked. So this is finally freshly coated, everything. Interior was done yesterday, like we said, wheels and calipers today, and the body today. Tail lights, headlights, everything. So we now know this will be good for the next 5 years minimum. And happy days. Rob's just finishing up the wing. He gave that a second coat just for extra durability. A bit more thickness because these gloss black plastics love to scratch easily.
Where the boys leave you topless, they get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my L's and turned them to lessons. I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need the top, cause that's where I'm heading. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Yeah, ooh, I'm moving faster than lightning. I can't close on my eyes, too excited. It's the fruit of what you get for trying. Don't be selling no more, I'm just buying. I got two of everything that you eyeing. Put my boots on and turn to a giant. This is fact, ain't no fictional writing. If I want to, I go right into hiding. Me and my lady somewhere on the island. I came up in a war zone where.
So the i30 is done. Now, due to lockdown, you can't drive it.
Not really. I went around the block. Tomorrow I'm going to do a 5-kilometer radius drive.
Hot lap. What do you think so far over the GR?
I'm impressed. Very talky. The only thing is, like, I've heard a lot of people say it's a very stiff ride in sports and in the other modes. It's true. I've noticed that it's a lot stiffer than the Yaris.
Yeah, stock for stock. Yeah.
Stock for stock. Yeah. But you can't really compare the two cars because they're two different types of things.
Two types of beasts.
Two types of beasts. Yeah. But I love it, man. It's got so many options on it.
The exhaust sounds great.
The exhaust sounds good, so you don't have to put an exhaust on. It's got the launch control. It's crazy. It stops good. Stereo sounds mad. In saying that, but the Yaris stereo is quite good too.
Yeah, that was up there. But until we drive them properly, we can't really.
Yeah, we don't really know.
But when the drags open up, we'll have to maybe go there too.
Give it a little race.
Yeah.
It's fun, but it's so fun to drive.
Yeah.
Pretty good. And the paint was good too.
So it came up amazing.
Yeah, it came up pretty good. I'm happy with what Hyundai has done with this.
Mad little beast. So until the next time.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Big bucket.
Down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kick. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this?